Welcome everybody and thank you for joining the webinar. So to give you an overview of what I want to show today, first of all, I'd like to introduce the 3D Experience platform and also touch quickly on the subject of artificial intelligence. So the 3D Experience platform is a common database within a company, and the idea behind that is that all the functions in the company from design to manufacture will work on the same data. One big change in the industry right now is the topic of artificial intelligence, and of course this is also looking for ways to incorporate this technology into our products. And in DELMIA machining, with the current release, we have a function that's called predictive operation. So to demonstrate this, I have a video here. So in the beginning, we are using, I call it traditional feature recognition and process templates to machine those pockets. By what we can see, the one in the middle with a little bit odd shape is not being recognized, ergo there is no toolpath generated. So what we can do now with predictive operation, we can click on that surface and it gives us some proposal on how to machine it, and we can select then the appropriate template for that based on that proposal. And the same we can also do for that radius surface, and as well for the bigger bore in the middle.